How to get discounts on Factor Meals. Factor Meals often offers $50 to $60 off your first box, plus free shipping. Some promos even give up to $130 off over 60 boxes. You can use codes like Factor13 on or promotions featured in top deal site. If you are a teacher, nurse, first responder, medical staff, or military member, you can get up to 55% off your first bags ongoing, 15% off for a year, verified through ID.me. Students can access to 65% off via student beans or grad beans. My referral link earned me $40 in credit, and so will yours. Friends signing up through referral links can get up to $150 off over multiple boxes. Reddit users report that referral links don't expire and can be stuck with other offers, sometimes yielding $50 to $60 off first order. Sign up with personal link and you will get $150 off your first boxes. Ordering more meals per week lowers your per meal cost up to about 18% discount on 18 meals per week. If you are already a customer, pausing or canceling after discounted weeks triggers comeback emails with new promo codes, often up to 75% off reactivation offers. Using cashback services like Rakuten, Capital One Shopping, or Honey can earn extra saving up to 20% back on top of promo codes. So, there you go. Multiple ways to legit save on Factor Meals in 2025. Whether you're new or returning, big first order deals, hero or student rates, referrals, bulk discounts, and smart reactivation strategies. What a short version or TikTok script nights. Just let me know. And that's it.